friends. So this week we have been talking about making predictions, which is something that we've done since kindergarten. So this is not new, but I want to make sure that we're all on the same page about what it means to make predictions. So making predictions is using the text, okay, that means the words, and picture clues to determine what will happen next in a story, okay? So when you're reading, you're using the words and the pictures to help you make a good guess about what will happen next. A lot of times we might use these words. I think, because. So here you're using this sentence starter. I think, because. I think this will happen because. So in your classroom today, you're going to get a story. Your story is going to be called Bumper Cars. You are to read the story, which you should be able to do without a grown-up. So read this passage and then use the sentence starter, I think, because. So right here, you could click on it and say, I think, that's where you're going to put some words, because, And you guys know that I like complete sentences because we are in the second grade, okay? So remember that when we make predictions, we are thinking about what will happen next in a story. Today you will read this story. You will use the sentence starter, I think, because, and you will make a prediction.